I'm going to teach how to make mango float. This mango float in Philippines is very well known during mango season. This is the coffee biscuits I can found here in Indonesia. Mangoes, condensed milk, the thin whipping cream. Slice thin as possible. Then 1 cup of condensed milk. It depends on your taste. A cream mixture. Arrange the mango on the top until you finish all the biscuits. Now the final touch. Layer another mangoes. Cover with the cream. Welcome back to my channel. This is my Nelia C. Guys, I'm going to teach how to make mango float. This mango float in Philippines is very well known during summer and during mango season. While it is mango season here, I got my friends who want to learn how to make a mango. But first, I want to introduce my ingredients. I'm using this coffee milk biscuits. This is not a sponsor, but this is the coffee biscuits I can found here in Indonesia. And then I have here mangoes and condensed milk and whipping cream. So first, I'm going to peel all these mangoes. Now I'm going to slice my mango like this, thin as possible. You can use this edge for the toppings.
Or when you try to finish your mango float.
Okay guys, like that. Use a very ripe mango to make your mango float yummy. Okay. While I'm waiting to slice all the mango, I'm going to mix my other ingredients. So it depends on how many cups or how many bowl you want to make your mango float. But here I have here about 2 cups of thin whipping cream. And then 1 cup of condensed milk, or it depends on your taste, but you don't need to make it very sweet. So I use 1 cup. This is very simple, guys. It's so easy to make. I already uploaded this one time, but this is from Gita's request, my friend's request, to teach her how to make the mango float. So this is in demand this time because it's mango season. Now we need to get any square bowls or container, square container. And then open your biscuits, be like this. To arrange all the biscuits here inside. Either you do it like this. Yeah, this is better. Put a little bit of cream mixture to make the biscuits wet. And then arrange the mango on the top. Put another cream mixture. And then arrange the mango again, and the biscuits again, and so forth, until you finish all the biscuits, or until this container full. The mango. Cream. As I said, until this one becomes full. Now the final touch. So when it's already full, you have to press the biscuits, press them down. So the biscuits become wet. Layer mango on the top and crumble a little bit of biscuits or two on the top. Layer another mangoes. Cover with the cream. And it's done. Refrigerate this overnight to have a nice result of your mango float. Thank you for watching. Bye.